Some lawyers can win, and the doctor can heal. Your banker can lend till your pockets are filled. But if yours is a case of a sin-stricken soul, for the problem you face, I know there's only one place to go. Just climb up that mountain where steel springs abounding. It's that sparkling crimson called Calvary's flow. That same Jesus you've heard of could take a black heart without love, wash it with red blood, make it whiter than snow. Listen to me now. Don't you gamble on life. Wouldn't if I were you, even with all that luck of yours and all of your quiet skills. 'Cause honey, I don't care who you are, what you are, you just can't play them cards. Old man Death's gonna deal. Well, Mama's old black Bible has already planned who the loser is gonna be. Ain't but two winning hands, and they were nailed to a tree. So climb up that mountain where steel